Looking for the best PC gaming headsets for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 PC gaming headsets that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features, and many users, and if you can't find a PC gaming headsets that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended PC gaming headsets. Number 1 on the list is SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro Wireless. SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro Wireless headset isn't cheap, but it's absolutely worth it. This stylish headset is packed with so many features it's hard to figure out where to begin, but let's start with the gaming features. Multi-system connectivity via the headset's wireless base station, technically infinite battery life thanks to a swappable battery system, and a highly adjustable design that's so lightweight and comfortable you'll forget it's on your head. The Nova Pro Wireless delivers excellent audio and sports hi-fi capable, custom-designed 40mm drivers, though you'll need a wired connection and a DAC to experience the headset's 10 to 40,000 Hz frequency response. It's not just game audio that sounds immersive and layered, this headset does a great job with all types of audio. Oh, and there's more, a fully retractable bidirectional noise-canceling mic, active noise cancelling, with an optional transparency mode, and simultaneous 2.4 GHz wireless and Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity with audio mixing capabilities. This headset not only does it all, it slips seamlessly between it all, from PC gaming to console gaming to video chatting to audiophile listening. The Nova Pro Wireless is ambitious, but it delivers, and it's a much better deal if you consider that this might be the only headset/pair of headphones you ever need to buy. But if these aren't in your budget, the Kingston HyperX Cloud Alpha is a solid sub-$100 pick that boasts excellent audio and a comfortable fit. Second on the list is Corsair Virtuoso RGB Wireless SE. The Corsair Virtuoso RGB Wireless SE is another headset that looks as good as it sounds. The best wireless gaming headset for most, it offers premium quality audio that enters audiophile territory and looks pretty and shiny instead of clunky and heavy. The SE version of the Virtuoso RGB boasts gunmetal colored aluminum stamped with a touch of RGB via the Corsair logo. Overall, it looks as expensive as it is. The Virtuoso RGB SE delivered strong audio, including high-res support, in our testing. Its 50mm drivers also sounded great with gunfights in games such as Borderlands 3. The can's music reproduction sat in the middle of bass-heavy cans like the Audio-Technica's ADH-G1 and flatter-sounding ones like the SteelSeries Arctis Pro Wireless listed below, topping things off with a 20-hour wireless battery life. Corsair's Virtuoso RGB Wireless SE is a fine pair of cans that both look and sound premium. Number 3 on the list is Audeze LCD-GX. If you're looking for an audiophile experience that will also work as a gaming headset, Audeze LCD-GX has you covered. This over-ear, open-back planar magnetic gaming headset features a lightweight magnesium frame and a design that mirrors the rest of the company's LCD lineup. But it's far from cheap. Priced at $899, it definitely earns its title of Best Gaming Headset Splurge. The LCD-GX sounds incredible, especially compared to other gaming headsets. It is slightly warm-leaning overall, but it has great dynamics and multi-layered midtones that make for a very enjoyable listening experience. While the company does recommend that you use it with a good amp/DAC, it does not require an amp/DAC. You shouldn't have any trouble powering it if you plug it directly into a PC or laptop. It offers an excellent gaming experience, despite lacking the digital processing and effects you might see in other gaming headsets. It also has one of the best headset mics we've tested. The LCD-GX features large, circular over-ear ear cups and a comfortable suspension headband design. It comes with both a boom microphone cable and a standard cable, so you can use it as a headset for gaming or as a pair of headphones for listening. It also comes with a heavy-duty, locking travel case, which fits all of its accessories and is perfect for protecting your $899 investment. It's definitely not for everyone. Its open-back design especially means it's not ideal for anyone who's gaming around others, but it's a great pick for audiophiles who also happen to be gamers. Number 4 on the list is SteelSeries Arctis Nova 1. SteelSeries has given its entire headset line an Arctis Nova redesign, including its budget-priced $60 Arctis Nova 1. The Arctis Nova 1 sports the same 40mm custom drivers as does its higher-end siblings, the Arctis Nova 3 and 7, and costs just a fraction of the price. The Arctis Nova 1 is a wired analog headset with a slim, lightweight plastic frame and large, comfortable over-ear ear cups. It has a bidirectional noise-canceling microphone that fully retracts into the left ear cup. So it's stylish enough to wear away from your PC as a pair of lifestyle headphones. It comes with both single and dual 3.5mm audio cables, so it can connect to devices with combined and separate headphone/microphone jacks. At $60, it's a steal considering the excellent audio quality and the versatility of the design. But if $60 is still a little too pricey, the Asus TUF Gaming H3 headset is another excellent budget-friendly choice that can usually be found for around $40 or less. Number 5 on the list is Razer Barracuda Pro Wireless, featuring a, surprisingly, understated all-black design with nary a hint of RGB or external microphone in sight. Razer's new Barracuda Pro wireless headset looks more like a pair of lifestyle headphones from Sony or Bose than it does a gaming peripheral. And that's kind of the point. Razer calls the Barracuda Pro wireless a hybrid gaming street headset. It's got a lot going for it on the lifestyle side. The minimal plastic design is less premium than we'd like. But it does contribute to the headset's lightweight and overall comfort. If Razer is looking to compete with Sony and Bose, it's basically there in the comfort department. It's not quite there in the ANC department, though it's not too far off. The Barracuda Pro Wireless has 3 levels of ANC, as well as a pair of integrated beamforming noise-canceling mics. Audio quality is very good, thanks to 50mm custom drivers, as is microphone quality. The mics do a good job of picking up your voice and minimizing background noise and should be fine for most gamers. The Barracuda Pro Wireless is designed to be used with multiple devices. It comes with a 2.4 GHz wireless USB-C dongle and has built-in Bluetooth, and can connect to both simultaneously. It can't use both connections simultaneously, however, unlike the SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro, which mixes audio from both connections. You'll need to switch between devices using a dedicated smart switch button on the right ear cup. Ultimately, this hybrid headset leans a little more lifestyle than gaming. Razer rates its battery life at 40+ hours. And it even comes with a sturdy carrying case, which makes it a great option for those who are torn between dropping cash on lifestyle headphones or a gaming headset. Just now is a list of 5 best PC gaming headsets that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You will receive our latest videos. Thank you.